Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on quick response setting on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to on guys with quick response, and friends you want to edit your quick response and how to edit one by one, step by step friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi phone call setting. After call setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click here right side three dot and friends click on setting. After on guys call setting, first of all friends you can check block number list. Friends, you have blocked any contact number by mistake and on purpose, so you can unblock from here. Friends, you can see calling account setting display option. Friends, if you click here you can change your phone dialer theme. Friends, you want to set dark theme, and friends you want to set light theme, so you can set, and friends you want to use your system default theme, you can select. Friends, you can see quick response setting, click here. Friends, you can see show button for ending calls and sending messages. You want to on guys your quick response on your device, so you can on. And friends, you can see quick response cannot talk right now, call me later, I will call you right back, I will call you later, cannot talk night out WhatsApp. Friends, you want to edit, so you can edit. Friends, example, I will cut it. Friends, you can see cannot talk right now because I am busy. I am busy. So like that friends, you can edit. OK option, click here. And guys, your quick response will edit. Same guys, again you want to add any quick response, I will call you right back because yeah, like I am busy, I have work, I am in tuition, I am in class. So you can edit and guys OK option, and you can use your quick response setting on your Redmi phone device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.